Oh, hello there.
Today we're going to be making Korean-style pizza bread, and for ingredients we'll need tomato sauce such as ketchup, bread, cheese, vegetables of your choice, and meat.
So I'm going to start preparing my ingredients. For meat, I decided to use bacon, but you can use sausages or any other meat, such as chicken. So since my bacon is uncooked, I'm going to grill my bacon. And again, I'm using scissors to cut my meat. Okay, so we grill that until it's nice and golden. And as you can see, I have my other ingredients prepared. And firstly, we're going to spread some tomato sauce such as ketchup on your bread and just thinly spread that alongside. I also added some tomato puree. If you haven't got this, you can skip this part, but I feel like it added some intensity to the tomato sauce. Then I'm also adding sliced cheese. And then we're ready to top our pizza bread with whatever topping we like. I added some sweet corn, red onions. But the main beauty of making this Korean style pizza bread, I think, is that you can incorporate any of your favorite vegetables like green and red peppers or jalapenos. Anyways, and then I'm also adding the grilled bacon that I prepared. The more, the merrier. Then black olives. This Korean style pizza bread was one of my favorite classic bread I used to get when I used to go to the bakeries, and it brings back childhood memories. And I also topped it with some extra cheese. And then we're just going to grill that on the pan using very, very low heat. Patience is a virtue when grilling pizza bread. Then place a lid on top so that you can trap all the heat to cook the topping and melt the cheese. And I think I grilled it for around 5 minutes, but the key is not to open the lid in between. And there you go, it's all ready. And I topped it with some dried chives. It looks so delicious. And what's even better is it's got all your 5 a day in one meal. Tomatoes, sweet corn, olives, chives, and red onions. I'm getting my appetite ready with a glass of milk. And oh mighty gosh, words cannot describe how good this pizza bread was. And as you can see, the bottom of the pizza bread burnt slightly, so using low heat is essential. Or even better, if you have an oven, you can also use your oven or the microwave. also tried it with a little bit of Tabasco sauce, but I think I preferred it just the original way. But anyways, this meal was absolutely delicious. Then for dessert, I had Kinder Egg Surprise, which I failed to open nicely. This is another childhood classic. And when I was a kid, I used to look forward to the toy more than the chocolate itself. And for the surprise, I got a monkey swinging around a palm tree. And that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed my video on making Korean style pizza bread. And again, thank you very much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!